Hello and welcome to this latest DPA video interview. Today I'm with Neil Sandhu, Product Manager at SICK UK, company who produces sensors and sensor solutions for industrial automation applications. Neil is also Vice Chairman of UKIVA, the UK Industrial Vision Association. Today we will be talking about how to make machine vision easier to integrate into robotic applications. So Neil, in your work with members of UKIVA and at SICK, you must be seeing many rapid developments in both camera and robot technologies. But is there one question you get asked about more than any other?
Hi, Paige. Yeah, I mean, that's a good question. And what I would say there is, in the past, people have been thinking that getting vision systems and robots to talk to each other is a kind of black art, and you need to be a real expert to do that. But nowadays, and with recent developments that we've been making, that communications link and the ability to get a vision system talking to the world of the robot and the robot talking to the world of the vision system has become a hell of a lot easier and almost plug and play, almost child's play, if you will. And those sort of advancements in technology have really helped to make that job so much easier.
So bearing that in mind, how is machine vision becoming more accessible in robot guidance applications?
Well, here at SICK, we've been looking at more software-based solutions than hardware, a bit similar to, if I don't mind me holding up my phone, because we've all got, our phones do what we want them to do because we download the right apps. We've taken that idea to machine vision and said, let's create generic hardware and then tailor some software-like apps to solve certain tasks like robot guidance. So we've done that with a few differing robot-type applications, worked with the robot manufacturers to make the communications really simple and very straightforward to get to work. And those combinations have really created more accessibility for machine vision. But also, it means that the users and the potential customers can look around their sites and factories to think, I now know that I can use robot automation and machine vision guidance in a nice way. Maybe there's more tasks I can solve and more problems I can solve by looking around and seeing where else I could deploy it. And that's really helping automation in the industry.
That sounds great. What common vision applications are these ready-made apps becoming available for?
Well, here at SICK, we've developed quite a few to date, and obviously the ongoing development is always there. Initially, we've came up with some simple robot guidance tasks for pick and place. So, for example, anything that's manufactured or produced coming down a moving conveyor belt, we can actually deploy a system to talk to most robots out there that will identify and locate that item on the moving belt and very quickly and accurately give that information to a robot to go and place it for the next part of the process. In a lot of production plants now, there are lots of containers filled with randomly orientated parts that need picking out of. It used to be a manual process to place in the next part of the process. We've got systems that can automatically identify something in a bin of parts and then automatically locate that, identify it, and make sure the robot picks it up in the right way. So there's just two of the examples in terms of what we're doing with the app-based technology.
Following on from that, can you give us an example of a recent robot integration project that's used the SICK app successfully?
One does spring to mind, and it's a company that's involved in waste management, more specifically recycling, which is obviously quite high in everybody's priorities at the moment. They're taking some items, these are batteries, and batteries of all sorts of shapes and sizes. And what they've done is they've utilized our belt picking solution to make sure that they can locate and identify these different types of batteries and make sure that they can place them in the right sorting container for the next part of the recycling process. And the ability to use a very simple plug and play app style solution with a very easy to use communications protocol that talks straight to the robot, nothing in between, means that they were able to deploy that solution and get up and running very quickly. And it made the whole process very free flowing.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Neil. To find out more about the solutions offered by SICK, please visit their website. You can also find an extended exclusive article on this topic written by Neil on the DPA website. The details will be shared on screen shortly. Thank you very much.
Thank you.